So I'm back, guys. Another super easy extract you can make. Almond extract. I'm using a mason jar for this. I'm doing 13 ounces of our good old vodka again. And almonds. That's all you need. So you got 13 ounces of vodka. You're going to get about a cup's worth of almonds cut in half. And we're just going to let it sit in there. Usually this one will take about 3 weeks and you can start using it. The longer it sits, obviously, the more it's going to transfer the flavors. With the almonds, sometimes you do have to take them out. You can't always leave them in, so you might have to strain those out after so long, but super easy. Super easy. Again, you're going to keep it in a cool, dark place and just let it do its thing. Why buy this stuff at the store if you can make it at home? You can control your ingredients, and it's just going to taste so much better than the stuff at the store, too. We've all done it. Cocoa powder is another one that we've all done it with. But the vanilla extract smells so good. It smells like it's going to taste heavenly when you try it. And, oh, that's always a mistake, right, guys? We've all done it. Same thing with that cocoa powder, like I said. But super easy. Once done, you put a lid on it, you date it, you put it in a cold, dark place, and let it do its thing. You don't need to stay on top of this. These almonds are just going to do their thing. You're cutting them in half to help release the flavor. But so easy. So easy. But that's all I have to say in this video. It's a fast, simple, easy video. I'm just going to end it there and say I hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys are able to do something else of your own like this. Stay kind, guys, because you don't know what anyone is going through. And we'll catch you on the next one.